Okay. Now the new pattern is first one, then one two, one two three, one two three four, one two three four five. Right. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, then 1, guys. This is the a new pattern, all of you. This is the new pattern. All of you can observe here. So you tell me now, in this case, how many loops required, guys? Forget about the I. I is common. Okay, remaining how many loops required? If you observe, guys, these two it is the combination of two patterns, right? It is combination of what? Two patterns. This is the first pattern. This is the second pattern. Those two patterns we combine. It will come. Those two patterns we combine. That's all, guys. It will come. It will come, right? Let us try now. Let us try. All of you observe here. We'll try it. We'll try this one. So right. So we'll do this one as two parts, guys. We'll do this one as a two parts. As two parts. This one we will break into two parts. This is the one part, and this is the here one digit is missed, guys. Okay. So this one we will do as two parts. This is the first part, right? And then this is the second part. Okay. This is second part, guys. All of it. So first what we do, we'll do for the first one. We'll do for the first one. This is the first one, and then second one. In the first one, same I values. This is the one. This is the two. This is the three. This is four. This is five. This is five. I values. Okay, I values, guys. These are the I values. I values. Okay, and J. Whenever I is one, J rating one time only. When I is two, J rating two times, right? Two times, guys. When I is three, J rating three times. It rating three times. When I is four, J rating four times. All of observe now. Four times. Each time the iteration number displaying only, guys. No other number. Each time iteration number displaying. When I is five, J repeating five times. First time one display, second time two display, third time three display, fourth time four display, fifth time five display. That's all. First of all, let us finish this one. Okay, all of you. So I think for this one again not required writing the iterations, right? All of you. Again for this one iterations I think not required because already the same we have done in the previous patterns. Iterations. So when I is the one, when I is the one, Allah of observe when I is one at the time, what is the j value? That is the concept here. Okay, let me know. When I is one, j rating how many times? One time only, right? One time only. One time. When I is two, j rating two times, right? When I is three, j rating three times. One time, two time, three times. When I is four, j rating four times. One time, second time, third time, fourth time. When I is five, j rating five times. One, two, three, four, five. That's all. Alaf, okay. So that's what we do. First of all, I'm going to comment this one. So this is the pattern 33. 33 same input enter n number of rows, enter n number of rows, will take the eval, then n equal to okay. Fry in range of fry in range of 1 comma n plus 1, right, n plus 1. Then so for j in range of 1 comma same I plus 1 guys, I plus 1, each time display j only, n equal to what, n equal to this empty space. Then I take print of empty, right. Let's see now. I'm giving 5. That's very simple one, guys, right? We done that this one the beginning days of our patterns, not now. All of you, okay. So all of you guys, I think this is your clear, right? All of you, this is what we have done already. If you want this explanation clearly, then we can go to the, I think, pattern 9th or 10th. At that time we have done this one, right? Or now what I want here, one more for loop for k in range of. Now second part means what again? All of observe again whenever I value 1, when okay. So all of observe, this is not inside this one, right? Again it's outside, okay, it's outside, guys. Here again whenever I is 1, again repetition, when I is 1, j how many times repeating now? 5 times repeating. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, when I is 2, j iterates 4 times. 1 2 3 4, like this. When I is 3, j iterating 3 times. Each time displaying the trace number only. When I is 4, displaying which one? 2 times iteration. When I is 5, j iterating only one time only. Again, we take the for I in range of what we do here, 1 comma n plus 1, same guys for j in range of. So first time uh, Allah, every time what is common here? 1 is common, right? 1 2 5, 1 2 4, 1 2 3, 1 2 2, 1. So every time starting is fixed. 1 is and for j every time ending changing, right? Ending changing. So starting 1 is fixed. So I'll take n plus 1 minus 1 minus I, guys, all of you. So first time n value what here? 5. 5 plus 1 6. 6 minus 1 5. So it reads 5 times. All of you observe. So here uh, whenever I value 1, then j iterating how many times here? 1 time. When I value 2, j iterates 2 times. When I value 3, j iterates how many times? J iterates 3 times. When I value 4, j iterates 4 times. When I value 5, j iterates 5 times. That's all. Now coming to here, guys. Here when I value 1, j must iterate, so 5 times here. Observe all of you. How many times? 5 times. So when I value 1, n plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 1, 5. Okay, all of you. So 6, 6 minus 1, 5. So 5 before means 4 will come, right? All of you. Observe here. N means what? 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 1, 5 again. 5 before 4 will come, right? 4 will come. I'll take the plus 2. N plus 2. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 before 5. So 5 times it iterates, guys. It iterates how many times? 5 times. Next, when I value 2, when I value 2, so 5 plus 2, 7, 7 minus 2, 5, 5 before 4, so that it rotates 4 times. When I value 3, so 5 plus 2, 7, 7 minus 3, 4, 4 before 3, so it rotates 1, 2, 3, 3 times. When I value 4, then it rotates 2 times. When I value 5, it iterates just one time. It iterates only one time. That's all. All of you observe like this. Okay. So for this one, we make the program here. Then I take print of what here, print of what display. I want display j, right? J value, guys. J value and equal to what here? This one. At last, I'm taking the this empty one. I'll take the 5. Array. So the first one coming, so first one, right, I'll have you observe here. In the previous case, what happened here? So this is not there, right? It is not there in the previous case. So what happened here? When I value 1, j iterating one time, then again now it is starting now. It is not finishing. These are not finishing because here continuation, okay? All of you. So if you take this one, sorry, if you take here, then what happens now? It go to new line, start the new I value. Then J trades go to new line. Again start the new I value. Go to new line, start new I value. Go to new line like that. Once all over, means once first one over. Then what happens now? Second one starting, guys. Second one starting. That's all. So all of you guys, I hope this one is clear, right? So when I value 1, J, how many times iterating one time only. That also what displaying J value displaying, not extra one. So one display. Next, when I value 2, J displaying 1, 2. So means 1 space, 2 space. Next again new line. Again new line, okay. I value 3. When I value 3, J displaying 1, 2, 3. 1 space, 2 space, 3 space. 1 space, 2 space, 3 space. New line. When I value 4, J displaying 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I value 5, J displaying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 over. Means now what is over? This is what over now. At last print new is there going for the new line. That's all. Now cursor waiting here. Then this first for loop over. Now start the second one. When I value 1, then j iterating 5 times and each time displaying the press number. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I value 2, again, when I value 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. When I value 3, 1, 2, 3. When I value 4, 1, 2. When I value 5, 1. That's all. That is the program, guys. All of you.